Hey beauty people, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can automate your workflow. So this is the flow dashboard. So I am going to copy my flow script. So this is the script. Just copy the full script. Command C. After that, here you can see there is only one input box. And now we need to install a extension. Let's go to the extension page. And then here you have to search auto flow panel. So just search this, and this is the extension. After that, you have to add to the Chrome extension. Just click on add to add extension. Now just go to the pin and it will be appear here. Now go to the flow and then click on the extension. Now this is the extension auto flow panel settings and history. On the control, here you can see prompt list. Here enter your full prompt, and this is for global prompt or global style. Like you want your script consistence, then you can add global prompt here. So and here you can add full script. So I'm going to paste it here, and this is the full script. And there you will have to add global prompt if you want consistent result. So I'm going to generate the global prompt. And this is the global prompt. I'm just going to copy this global prompt. Now go to the flow and then go to the extension, add the global prompt here, and here enter your full script, and this is the full script. Now make sure this button is tick mark on. After that, click on add to queue, and here you go, you will see 20 prompt list here. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 loaded 20 prompts. So I have copied 20 scene, and here 20 scene. Now go to the settings, and then this is video per task, and this is simple settings. Wait time, suppose you want to wait 30 seconds after each generation, you can add this. So 30 seconds. And history, here you will see the activity log. Now go to the control and then click on add to queue, and then it will automatically add here, and then click on start queue. Now it will be generate from scene 1 to scene 20 automatically. You don't have to do anything else, just wait, it will automatically complete all of the tasks. Here you can see it's automatically generated, and this is the second scene. After complete this, it will start third scene, and it will be continue. And this is how you can automate your flow work panel. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.